Okay, I'm starting off to give you a reason as to why these videos are so short. If I do a normal lesson, it takes about 5 hours to upload. I'm making around 9 videos a day. I don't have that long to be able to upload. If I can keep it about 5 minutes, it only takes an hour to upload. So, quick lessons. We are on page 239, scale drawings. You will need your ruler. If you'll see on the yellow, they've got this. What I recommend doing, because if you see at the bottom it says a scale, 1 inch equals 1 mile. What that means, if you're drawing a picture and you want it to be to scale, that means you can look at it and you can see how far it is. Well, you can't draw the whole picture of your neighborhood, but if you draw it small, where each mile is represented by just a tiny little inch, that's how you draw to scale. What they've done is they put little dots that are the different areas. I want you to take your inch side of your ruler and lay it on your dots and measure it. Now, my book is a lot smaller than yours. But for example, if we were to measure from the church to Bob's house, make sure to start at your 0. It would come out to be right here, which is 1 3/4. Go ahead and measure the rest of it. Pause your video and then come back. Okay, now that you've done the work, let's go over the distances. Church to Bob's house is 1 3/4. Bob's to Ted's house is 1. Ted's house to post office is 1 1/2. Post office to store is 1. And store to ball field is 1 1/2. I wanted to make sure you got those right, because if you don't have the right measurements, you're not going to be able to do the rest of the work. Now, you needed to go in that order. You can't just zigzag and cut straight across. Just pretend there's a great big lake in the middle or something and you don't have a boat. And no, you can't swim because there are snakes. Okay. When you do your measurements, if it's more, instead of trying to say, oh, I've got 1 3/4 and now go back, and you've got your measurements. Write them. You can see that's what I've done here. And then all you got to do is add. So if you're going, for example, down at E, from the church to the post office, I'm going to add 1 3/4 plus 1 plus 1 1/2. Did you notice those denominators are different? That means you're going to have to convert. Get to the like denominator, which in this case, I look at the 2 and I look at the 4. Is one of those there where both could go in? Yeah, that's right, the 4. So you're going to need both denominators to be 4s. On lessons like this, I'm just going to have you do the class practice and take a picture and send it to me. That way, if you have problems with it, I can correct it right away. When we get to reviews, those are the ones that I'll have you do more and I'll grade them. If your parents want you to do the whole page, have them text me and I can send them a picture of the key so that way they don't have to sit and try to work out each individual problem to get the answers. Okay? Talk to y'all later. Have a great day.